Have you done that? Excellent. Right. Now you can see I've still got my program running here, and before I make any changes, I need to stop it. So up here I go stop debugging. It's worked. I'm back on form design. If I'm in form 1, just click on this tab and my toolbox is open. It's really handy because what I want to now do is bring in a text box. So I, over here, drag a text box. I'm going to change click me to what is your name? Okay. I might need to expand it slightly. What is your name? Just realigning these. And I might even change the font. It's a bit small. I wasn't happy. So I can click on this button here and I can increase the size a little bit. That's increased the font size. Right. Back to my code. I can either just double click here and it will take me straight back, or I could have just navigated. This time we're going to use an if. So I'm deleting that. We're back to an empty thing here. You can also give yourself some space. That's fine. And I'm going to write this. If textbox1 dot text, so the contents of it, is equal to Mr. P. Now, I'm going to do something weird here. I haven't finished writing. I'm just going to go to the end and I'm going to press enter. Look what happens. It's still not finished yet. I click back there and it puts a then in for me. Visual Basic will speed up the amount of programming you can do immensely by little tricks like this. Remember what I said earlier? You have to end everything properly. So there I started my if, there I've ended my if. So it's saying if textbox1.text is equal to Mr. P, then do something. The thing I'm going to do here is go label 1, text is equal to hello sir. Click off. It's even indented it for me. You don't actually need the indenting. It does it out of politeness. Maybe a few too many lines. Okay. It's that simple. I'm going to hit save all. I'm going to run that to test it works. Just to show a false positive, I'm going to type in something that's slightly wrong to begin with. So, what is your name? Mr. P. Nothing happens. If, however, I get my capital letters right, I was writing in lowercase before, hello sir. So normally Microsoft isn't that bothered about upper and lower case. It's not case sensitive. In this particular case, it is case sensitive. So when typing in your answer, you need to do that. Now, when you do this example in a second, you don't have to use my questions and answers. You can make up things that are more fun. That's not really the important thing. The important thing is you're learning how to use an if and a text box. Okay, so I'd like you to do the same. Remember, stop your program running, go into the design and add a text box, change this to what is your name, and then try your first if inside there. Remember to get rid of the old changing the label to hello world. Away you go.